thank you to Alex Toys for sending us doodads and sponsoring this video.
Hi, it's Leah.
And it's Claire.
And today we have doodads, and we are so excited because I love all of Alex's DIY stuff, so I'm really excited to see what these are like. So once you open the box, you will see instructions, I think, like this packet thingy. You'll see some pieces, the string and the small pieces and the beads and stuff, and then you'll see,
for step 1, you have to loop the hook through like this, and then you put it through the tip of the head, well, the hair. This is Bernadette. Her birthday is January 5th. She likes barbecues, secret recipes, and super combos, and she dislikes frowning. And what's really interesting is her hair is made of french fries. A little bit strange.
That does not say it on the label. I'm going to make Celeste. Her birthday is August 21st. She likes sci-fi, stargazing, dreaming, and she just likes close-mindedness.
But she likes big words.
But she likes big words. Yes.
French fry hair. Doodads. Make them and mix them.
Some people don't know I'm a dancer, but I think I'm excellent. You want to see me dance? Cue the music!
It was really fun to make, and I'm definitely going to put the french fry one on my backpack, because it's like really funny. They're designed so that they can hold hands, or they can even hold their own hands.
So cute.
I'm going to put this doodad on my backpack. It's Celeste.
And it matches you.
Yeah. Okay, so my mom just made me make one for the video, but I had such a fun time doing it that I had to make all the others. So this is Uni. I named them. I don't know if her name's actually Uni, but I like her because she's sparkly. And this one's another one of my favorites. They're all my favorite because I really like her style, and she has dyed hair and glasses like me. And I also like this one because I love the metallic colors, and it's kind of like sporty and stuff. This one is my absolutely tootly, fruitalootly favorites because, well, her outfit's basically sparkles, and I really like space, and she's kind of space themed. This is Claire's favorite. She's basically a hamburger with a head and legs and arms, and that's really funny. And her beads, accessories are like ketchup. And then she's just an ice cream cone, and who doesn't like ice cream? It's ice cream. And now, I want there to be a series 2. I demand a series 2.
Well, until that point, you can always mix and match these.
See you soon. See you soon.
Mwah, 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 mwah.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.